Genevieve Mendez Weaver is with us with the Clardy Law Firm. Genevieve.
Hi there, good morning.
Welcome.
To see you.
Y'all too, it's good to be here again.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you're a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
And you know, most people need one at some point.
Unfortunately,
Have you found that?
I find that, you know, we're kind of like doctors. You really don't want to see us until you really need us, and then you're really happy.
wanna see you.
Exactly, to find us.
Well, Clardy specializes in one thing, so obviously you do that right.
That's right. That's what we try to do every day. We do all personal injury, which means workers' compensation if you're hurt on the job,
Yeah.
auto accidents, any other kind of accident, bicycle accidents where it's bike versus car, unfortunately. We are also doing a lot of medical malpractice and nursing home negligence, like I talked to you all about last time.
That's
That
a big
happens.
one. That is a big one. Tell us too about the underinsured, uninsured motorist insurance and how that works.
Sure. I think this is so important. I think a lot of people don't really understand kind of what they buy when they buy car insurance.
Yeah.
You buy car insurance to protect your property, to protect your car, to protect you, but also to protect other people. So let's just say, for instance, we have a client who gets in a car accident, he's hit by another car, and he's really injured. He has, you know, $50,000 worth of medical bills, he's had surgeries, it was a bad accident. But the car that hit him only had $25,000 in coverage.
Oh yeah, where's the rest of that come from?
Exactly. That's why it's so important that that driver, our client who's injured, carries underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. Because if the other person's coverage maxes out and he pays us $25, we get the $25 from the insurance company to help our client pay those medical bills. There's still a lot of medical bills out there to be paid. So if you carry underinsured motorist coverage with your insurance company, which it usually is only $3-4 extra a month. It's very low cost in comparison to what the benefit is for you and your family.
Do you have to have that insurance if you drive a car?
Now in South
Is it a law?
Carolina, you automatically, you pay for getting at least $25,000 in uninsured motorist
So
coverage.
don't break too many bones.
Right, exactly. But it's so important to not just have that uninsured, but to also have underinsured, because
Yes.
somebody who hits you might be insured, but not
don't have
necessarily sure. You never know how much. So that's why
that's what is so frustrating about wrecks, because especially if it's not
Your fault.
You're like, I'm out all this money. I'm just minding my business. You know?
Exactly, and that's what we try to do. You know, our job is to try to get you the medical care you need, minimize those out-of-pocket expenses that always happen, and to make sure that someone who's injured is compensated and put back as well as they can be to the way they were prior to the accident.
Well, and remember, don't ever sign anything.
That's right. Always
Really?
read it.
Right.
Always read it.
Go see the Clardy folks. And by the way, the insurance companies have lawyers, so that means you got to be that much smarter.
Exactly. It's so important. Even if you have, you know, just a question, or you have already dealing with the insurance company, if you've been involved in an accident, we'd love to talk to you, help you out. The insurance companies are not there to pay you the most money or to help you out.
Not
They,
at
they
all.
really aren't, and that's where we come in and try to help with
How
that.
fast should somebody get in touch with you after they've been in an accident?
I mean, I always say the first thing is your health. Take care of that first.
Yeah.
But as soon as you have time and everything's kind of
they give y'all a call.
exactly, as soon as you can, you know, at any stage in it, we're happy to help, and we can do what we can. We can often help the best if we're in it from the beginning with you.
You charge them for the first visit?
Heck no.
Heck no.
No.
Not no, but heck no.
No. We're happy. We do free initial consultations. We would love to hear from them on the phone, 864-233-8888. I see it up there on the
Yeah.
screen.
Perfect.
You can email us. You can go on our website. And we love having people stop by. We're at 1001 East Washington, and we love having people stop by, too, if they have
exactly
a
what it is.
question.
Y'all been
Right here in
around for
Greenville.
forever.
That's
Thank
right.
You, Genevieve.
No
Very
problem.
cool.
Good to see
Very
you
cool.
again.
Thank you.
That's some good stuff
Counselor?
about the underinsured. I feel smart
Yeah,
now.
get it, yo.
Yeah, I like that. I like it.